new strategies, new avenues of promotion, new thoughts in terms of distribution. And our marketing plan right from the beginning was to, was completely different than what conventional films choose. We have entirely gone with digital and online promotions, and our idea was to use these networks to connect the film to what its real audience must be. We are hoping that this is the right way to do it, and from what we can tell from our reactions so far, it's been very successful, and the film has grown in its audience base through these networks. Big or small a release should be. So we figured that, look, this is the kind of film that an audience should judge whether they want to watch and come back to us and tell us, look, we want to watch this film. Rather than try to kind of make it really broad and then find that actually we were completely wrong in our projection, or to limit it and be condescending and say, look, no, we only think that 5 big cities should have our film. We thought we should keep it open and let people decide whether they want to watch our film. This online initiative, you can, in a list of cities, vote for this film to be screened in your city. Now, it remains to be seen what those actual numbers are and whether we'll be able to do a full-fledged distribution model, which we do in other cities, which is, go to a multiplex and take it for the whole week, or whether we do certain single focused screenings for the people who want to watch it in their cities. This initiative really changes how audiences are now slowly getting integrated into this whole community of cinema, because ultimately filmmakers need to know that there are people out there who are watching films, and we need to demand the kind of films we want to watch. As an audience, we need to engage enough to, support and encourage the films that we would like to see in our cinemas. And
felt that this film has been made with a spirit of that is being continued right now through distribution. So that's really beautiful for us. Community participation and audience guided distribution is something that I've been talking about, and it's really amazing that it's happening now.
We're very, very excited about this initiative because, there have been so many similar films, maybe not, each film is unique in its own way, but there have been so many films that have released as an industry, we have a one-size-fits-all approach. And because today you've got so many screens available, it becomes very tempting to go ahead and just release a film very widely. But that can actually work to the detriment of films of this kind. These films are films that need to be nurtured, need to be grown, and you need to really be able to reach out and go to those audiences who really want to watch your film and are specifically telling you that this is a film that they want to watch, rather than going as wide as we have been going in the past and then having lower capacities. So a film like this really needs the love and care and nurturing that we hope to be able to achieve with this sort of a release.